What's up, everybody? My name is Mayhew, and you're watching KRHS Cooking. And today I'm going to show you how to make some quesadillas with chicken and taco seasoning. It's going to be real easy. Let's go. Alright, everybody. So the first thing we're going to need for the quesadillas is these tortillas. We're going to need tortillas. I like to use taco seasoning, give it some flavor. And we're going to need a plate, and we're going to use chicken for this. If you don't eat chicken, then you can use anything plant-based. It's all customizable. And a bowl to mix it in. Alright, let's go. Alright, first up, we got our tortillas. So let's go ahead and get one out. Alright, we're going to put that here, and we're going to put that to the side for now. Alright, second thing we're going to need is our chicken breast. That's what we're going to pour the chicken in there. But it's just good to use. Alright. Now, you don't want to use a lot because it's only a small amount of chicken. Alright, I went ahead and mixed up the chicken with the seasoning. So after you do that, go ahead and put it on one half of your tortilla. It doesn't matter which half. Alright, now after we got this all spread out, another thing we're going to use for the other side of this is shredded cheese. Alright, now once you did all that, this is the last part of the process. Just take it and just fold it. Alright, for this next part, you're going to need quesadilla, of course, and you're going to need a hot surface to cook it on, and butter. Alright, so got your butter, got the quesadilla. Just take off a little bit of butter and put it on here. What's really going to help us make it a lot easier is the cheese. It's going to act like a glue to hold it all together. Alright, our underside is getting pretty nice and brown. So what you want to do is just take it, push it up against the edge, and flip it just like that. As you're going, you might want to occasionally flip it just to make sure it's all fully cooked. Like this side is getting pretty brown. So this side is basically done. And it's also crispy. You also want to make sure it's kind of crispy, not too hard, and not too dark. Alright, both sides are looking pretty good, so we're just going to take this, push it up against the wall, and place it down on there. And let's see the results when it cools down. Alright, that's how you make quesadillas, people. Now back to our host.